Techniques that will help you make the most out of your affiliate marketing venture. Affiliate marketing is a surprisingly fun and easy way to make some extra cash in this hard economy. If successful, it can even become your primary source of income. But if you are interested in starting an affiliate program, you might not know where to start or you may have questions. This video tries to answer some of those questions and guide you to success. Do not hesitate to run a demo account. By using a demo account along with your real account, you can test the waters on alternate trades and possible stops. This can allow you to see if you are being conservative in your positioning or whether you can work with different currency pairings to evaluate their potential. Affiliate marketers would do well to utilize sites like Google Optimizer. With this site, you can easily increase your profits as an affiliate by increasing your subscription base. Not every subscriber is going to become a customer for you, but the more subscribers you have, the more likely you are to turn commissions. Develop different site for different affiliate programs, especially if the products that you are advertising are very diverse. You can use subdomains to cut down on cost. If you have 10 different affiliate programs going, do not try to make them all fit within your one site. You may confuse your visitors. Trying different affiliate programs to find which one works best for you is okay. You have to find one that meets your needs with a payment plan that works best for you. You should also check other affiliate vendors to see if there are others that meet your needs more. There are thousands of affiliate sites on the web, but only a few are relatively successful. The most important aspect of affiliate sites is your personal involvement and effort. If you follow these tips to improve your sites persistently, then you will surely see a huge difference between your site and others. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.